Welcome to your first medical visit at Crown Medical in order to evaluate your varicose veins problem. We have prepared this presentation specially for you with your own photograph. In Crown Medical, the first step that we take is to prepare a comprehensive vein evaluation of your lower extremity to determine which are the affected area, to study your anatomy, to determine the potential problem that the therapy could bring, to gather all the symptoms and condition, and to input this information in our advanced computer evaluation system. Let's look at the objective of this vein evaluation. The objective is to study your case specifically, to come up with the best varicose vein treatment plan available. In order to do this, we need to determine what is the best type of treatment for you. We need to know what area should we start by. We need to know what medication to apply in your case, based on the color of your skin or the type of varicose veins that you have. All this information will give us also how many therapies will you require. In essence, what we're doing is we're trying to maximize the results of the sclerotherapy by creating the best varicose vein treatment plan for you. Let's look at the step that we took. We evaluated all 48 areas of your leg, concentrated in the major points of the vein system as shown in this graphic. Then we perform a comprehensive analysis of your vein anatomy, as illustrated here. Look at the venogram. Look at the complexity of the vein system. Observe the network of vein and arteries. Observe how they are interconnected. Based on what you see in the outside, we follow also the inside. Treatment of varicose vein is more complex than most patients think it is. Together with the anatomy of your vein, we also consider many other factors such as the condition of your skin, ulcer formation, thrombus, temperature, inflammation, edema, and more. We look at the vein problem in general and not as an isolated condition. Our objective is to get to the root of the problem, to know exactly where should we start our therapy, what vein to treat, and what is the best path to follow, in order to maximize results for you, to eliminate pain, cramps, ulceration, as well as to improve your appearance. We have the most advanced computer evaluation software for sclerotherapy available that integrates each one of the parameters that we have gathered during your evaluation. We have prepared this video specially for you based on your acceptance of our terms and conditions. The purpose of this video is for you to see how the varicose vein treatment plan is advancing. This video will help you compare how fast and how well your therapy is going and help us do a better job. Only at Crown Medical will you find this level of sophistication for varicose vein treatment. Let's look at some of the samples we took from you. Let's look at some of your photographs. As you can see here, you can see the circles. The circles will tell us the areas that are affected. And based on this circle that you see here, this is the visible varicose vein. Now, we take a look inside. We take a look deeper. We take a look at the vein network, as you saw in the venogram. In this other sample, you can see how the different areas are interconnected and how these arrows, the red arrows, tell us the path that the varicose veins are following, so that we know in which sequence we should prepare our sclerotherapy. In this other sample, you can see the discontinuous line, and the discontinuous line will give us the specific areas that we should treat when you come to our center. In this other samples, you can see that we have the yellow arrows pointing up or the yellow arrow pointing down, which is to denote the pulse of your legs, to see how it is compensating the therapy that we're applying and how these pulses are improving. It is important to point out that our analysis is not only of the anatomy, that we took in consideration many other elements to prepare your varicose vein plan. All this information was inputted into our software evaluation system. The result was given to the doctor, and the doctor, based on all this information, can determine or estimate the number of therapy that you may require. It is important to note that with your patient ID, you can go to our website and download health advice information for varicose veins, of course. Instructions as to your pre-therapy instruction or your post-therapy instruction. Remember, at Crown Medical is dedicated only and exclusively to the treatment of varicose vein and has been doing so for the past 27 years. If you need any other information, please do not hesitate to call us at 1 to the numbers that you can see on your screen. For those who live south in the county, 305-740-4444. For those who live towards the north, Miami Lakes, you can call us at 305-820-5001. Thank you for letting us evaluate your varicose vein treatment needs.